What's up, guys? We gotta be really quiet. But the dog's probably not gonna be quiet. But look, the birdie. It's the baby. A minute ago, just flew away, and now we have the legendary third one. He's probably gonna fly away in a minute. You can't really see him, but he's right there. Who's what? Dale standing there. I'm scared he's gonna attack. He's like, I'm gonna take you when you. He's like, ooh. He's like mad. He's like, wow. Oh my gosh. Birdie. We got the legendary birdie. Trying to fly. He's flying right there. Hi, birdie. He's right over here. Oh, birdie. 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 I don't know what he's gonna do, but he left the nest. He's right there. He's right there. You can't see him. I'll show you. Sorry, guys. Gotta put on the glove. I don't got nothing else on, so. Already end the series. Happy! You see him right there? See him? He's right there. Little boy. Now he left. He's like, I'm leaving this place. Dad, all three birdies left the nest. All three did? Yeah, so third one just left. He went on that other porch. Now he's in the backyard. Okay, hold on. Can you get this off? Can you? I mean, I don't want it wet.
Well, both of my hands are wet.
Let's throw it away. Okay, we have to end the video here.